Hey, this is Tehila here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing mini twists on my hair. So before I start, I would just like to show you how dry my hair is. My hair has been in a bonnet for like 3 maybe 4 days. It's completely dry and I have no dandruff. Like, oh my goodness, this is so thrilling. No dandruff, no flakes. My hair is still kind of moisturized and I have 0 dandruffs or flakes. I'm going to start from the back of my hair and do each section like really tiny, and I'll be using my styling products and a leave-in conditioner.
Let go away, think he was holding me to the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm and feel it smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days, always inside. Good days in my mind, help me unlock my fears, my days since I disappeared. If you live, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone. Night, ooh, way to deal, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, can't do it, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. I can't keep from losing the best of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me. All you bring, you don't care. Not trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, think he was holding me to the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm and feel it smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days, sunny inside, good days in my mind. Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so you, baby. I've been on my empty mindset.
So this is the back of the hair, all done. I didn't do like box parts, I just did random parting, and I've never done that before. I actually like it. This is the amount of hair that I shed with just doing the back.
Urgent, trying to make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, think he was holding me to the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm and feel it smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days, always inside. Good days in my mind, help me unlock my fears, my days since I disappeared. If you live, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone. Night, ooh, way to deal, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, can't do it, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. I can't keep from losing the best of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me. All you bring, you don't care. Not trying to be a nuisance, it's just sides, who they get in my mind. Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? Finding grass now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. Driving on my empty mindset. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. It's just urgent. Tryna make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of weight, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, won't feel it a smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Help me on my fears, my limitations. I disappeared. If you let me, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, can't do it, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. I gotta keep from losing the best of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you babe, you don't care. Sometimes trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, he was holding me.
So now that I'm done twisting, I'll put this anti-dandruff treatment on my scalp, just to give my scalp some sort of moisture.
Inside, who they get in my mind. Seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? Finding grass now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. Driving on my empty mindset. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted.
And lastly, I'll put oil. This is just coconut oil and tea tree oil.
I'm trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make some little change, got me a war.
Now that I'm done, I'll just put my hair in a bonnet till further notice. This is a great hairstyle if you just want to let your hair be. This is the amount of hair that's shed throughout the making of this hair. So that's it for today's video. If you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.